Okay, good morning everyone. Please stand and Jefferson, please lead the prayer. Amen. Again, good morning class. Okay, wow, I can see happy, beautiful, and handsome faces this morning. Okay, how are you class? Oh, that's good to know. Yes, teacher is always fine. Thank you very much for asking. Okay, class, by the way, before you take your seats, please pick up some pieces of paper under your chairs. All right, very good. Thank you so much. Okay, class, so please listen carefully as I take your attendance. All right. Wow, no one absent this morning. It seems that like you already interested today. Okay, very good. So, okay, class. So before we proceed our next lesson, let us have a quick review regarding of our topic yesterday. Okay, so who can give me a recap of our topic last meeting? Yes, Mika? Okay, very good. So, our topic yesterday is all about persuasive speech. So, there are three main parts of persuasive speech. So, who can give me the three main parts of persuasive speech? Yes, Mika? Okay, very good. So, the three main parts of persuasive speech are introduction, body, and conclusion. So, introduction present the issue and capture attention, while body contains arguments and supported by evidence. And the conclusion is give a strong call to action. Okay, everyone, listen carefully. Class, do you know what is performance-based assessment? Okay, so performance-based assessment is a measure of assessments based on authentic tasks such as activities, exercise, or problems that require students to show what they can do. So, some performance tasks are designed to help students demonstrate their understanding by applying their knowledge to particular situations. Okay, so today, I will demonstrate an authentic performance-based assessment aligned with the competency, creating and delivering a persuasive speech using logical arguments and credible evidence. Okay, so let us read our objectives. By the end of this lesson, you are expected to identify the elements of persuasive speech, develop logical arguments supported by evidence, and persuasive speech addressing a real-world issue. Okay, class, let me ask you a question. I know that most of you already have a cell phone because it is already necessary for students today. Okay, so how does social media affect students today? Okay, so as a student, based on your own observation, can you give me a short explanation of how social media affects students today? Anyone? Yes, Jisa? Yes, very good. So, social media can help communication, but it may also cause distraction, cyberbullying, and misinformation. Okay, so because this issue is part of students' real lives, today's activity will allow you to propose solutions as a responsible youth. Okay, class, please listen carefully about your performance task. Okay, so for your performance task, you will complete an activity based on the graphs model. So the goal of this task is for you to create and deliver a persuasive speech about responsible social media use. So your role is to act as a youth advocate who will present ideas and solutions regarding the proper use of social media. So the audience of your speech will be your fellow students and teachers. So the situations is many students today are greatly influenced the social media use. Okay, so which can have both positive and negative effects on their lives. So, as part of this task, you will present a 5 minutes persuasive speech uh, in which you explain the issue. Okay, so provide at least 3 uh, main arguments and suggest possible solutions. Okay, so your performance will be evaluated based on content and clarity, use of evidence, organization, critical thinking, and deliver skills using an analytic scoring rubric. Okay, class, did you already understand our performance task? Okay, all right. Thank you very much. So, you will be graded this following criteria. Okay, so content and clarity 30%, use of evidence 20%, organization 20%, critical thinking and the real world application 20%, and delivery skills 10%. So the total of 100%. Okay, so each criteria has 4 performance levels, which is excellent, proficient, developing, and beginning. Okay, so this ensures fairness, reliability, and objectives scoring. Okay, class, so before we end, so what are the 3 parts? Yes,
Of
Jilly?
a persuasive speech.
Okay, correct. Very good. So, the 3 parts of introduction,
Persuasive
body,
speech are
and conclusion. Very good. So, what is the authentic performance-based assessment? Yes, Jara. Okay, very good. So, authentic performance-based assessment is an evaluation method where students demonstrate their knowledge and skills by performing real-world tasks or meaningful activities instead of taking traditional tests. So, today, you learn how persuasive speaking can be assessed through an authentic performance task instead of a traditional test. So, through this activity, learning becomes meaningful, realistic, and student-centered. Okay, so thank you so much everyone. Have a good day and goodbye everyone.